Ready to unlock TikTok Shop in Australia and stop watching everyone else rake in the cash? First, open your TikTok app. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. Now, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile. This is your menu. Tap it. In the menu, you are looking for either Creator Tools or Business Suite. If you see Creator Tools, select that. If you have a Business Suite option instead, choose that one. Okay, here's the bad news. As of right now, TikTok Shop is not officially available in Australia. That means you won't see the option to directly set up a shop within your account. But there's a workaround. You can partner with a seller who does have a TikTok Shop, perhaps one based overseas. You can promote their products and earn affiliate commissions. Search for creators who are doing the same thing for inspiration. Another option is to link your existing e-commerce store, like a Shopify or Etsy shop, to your TikTok profile. While not a direct TikTok shop, it still allows you to sell through TikTok. Just add the link to your bio. Keep an eye out, TikTok is constantly expanding its shop feature. It might just launch in Australia soon. Subscribe for updates and more TikTok tips and tricks.